Hey team, Michelle here to walk you through another Fiona feature. You may have noticed this account health score that's listed here with the little beta next to it, an overall score, and you're probably wondering, what the heck is this score and what does this mean? Is this good? Is this bad? And kind of where's the score coming from? When you click on details, you're going to see that this scorecard is going to come up, and down here you're going to see all of this info. So we have average session duration, bounce rate, pages per session, average page load time, sessions, new users, page views, total users, local brand store, and average market cost per click. All of these roll up into a Google Analytics score that is going into this 46, and then these two are kind of on their standalone. So what Fiona's looking at is at your actual Google Analytics account and your site traffic overall. And then she's averaging that on a scale of 1 to 100, with 50 being the average within whatever market this property is. So you can see that for average session duration, a minute and 30 seconds is a little bit below what we usually see in that average. For bounce rate, 38%, that's a lower bounce rate than we see. So 62 is a good score compared to 50, and so on and so forth. Down here, logo brand score, this is based off a partnership we have with ChatMeter. So this is going to be your kind of overall online review score, and where you sit with reviews on a scale of 1 to 5 across the board online. And then this is just an average market cost per click. So the way that we look at this is supply and demand. If you are in a city or a market where there's a lot of supply and demand, that's going to drive your cost per click up quite a bit. So for this market, you're sitting right at the average of the cost per click that we usually see. And then what this is doing is averaging this Google Analytics score as well as these two together to get you an overall score to see where you're at. So 46 isn't too bad. You're kind of right around market average. You're a little bit below, but not to a concerning amount. So this is a good time for you kind of just to take a look at your Google Analytics and how your website's set up. So 5 out of 100 might be a little short. So page views could be something that you really want to sit down with your SEO or developer about to see how maybe that's something you can increase.